guys, today we're doing I'm continuing the washing machine destruction. My first washing machine. First time doing washing machine destruction. I've never done something like this before. Again, it'll be a Callaway 12 kilogram Tour IS washing machine. And I wish I hadn't picked that up, but I was keen if I did. And I wanted to destroy it though. This is my second attempt. Well, hopefully it'll work. But then let's crack on. Let's try again. Anyway, right, plug it in. Oh. I've removed the concrete weight, so and put the top panel back on. Since it was refusing, I had to remove the concrete. The reason why it was refusing to destroy itself because it had a big concrete weight. I don't know why, but anyway, hey ho. Let's crack on then. Woo. 3, 2, 1. Then there. Very burns. Anyway, so I was talking to myself. Ooh. Anyway, Callaway, here we go, second attempt. Okay. Whoa. Anyway. I don't. It smells like smoke, but it's not coming from the Callaway though, so it's just good. Ooh. Well, I'll open that now. Golf ball. Let's try again. Ooh. Oh. The Callaway are very like titanium washing machines though. I'm not even joking. They made this into titanium or something, so. There you go. Right. Let's see it by the edge. That's 7 minutes because I was trying to rewrite everything back together, trying to fix something. Yeah. What have I done? Did I just fake it or something? Anyway, I'll just do one more attempt, see what happens. What's going on there? What have I done? Ooh. Ooh. Alright. Don't have thanks as well. I bolted the Alright, so that's second attempt done now, so hopefully that's about and see you. Here's what we got so far now. Side's been bashed out. The front panel's probably stayed on for right, to be honest. And that's it. See you later. Bye. Bye.